Some people think, oh, racism is dead today. We don't do stereotypes anymore. That's, back in the 60s, we're done. Like, we're the new generation. Obama's, in the office. we're past all of that. But it's not exactly true. There's still, underlying stereotypes, underlying racism that still happens in the United States. And I think that, needs to be reopened again and examined. My name is Laura Essenberg. I am a sociology major, and my mentor is Tim Pippert, and my funding is through IRCO. When I was looking at colleges, you always saw like the black athlete, you always saw the Asian violinist, there was just some of those things that it was just something you were guaranteed to see pretty much on any brochure. My research is focused on basically the marketing of admissions brochures within colleges. And what we are doing is we are looking for patterns to see if there are certain ways that races are being portrayed. So you're saying, okay, we're looking for these types of variables, looking for athletes, who's the athletes, we're looking for who's in the science lab, we're looking for who gets the one-on-one attention with. It's a little slice in a big picture, and the big picture is, are we willing to look at our flaws? Personal, because it gets so personal. Are you willing to look at your personal flaws and say, yes, I screwed up?